Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Myfxbook to MetaTrader 5. This connection allows you to track your trading performance and analyze your results with ease. We will focus on the Expert Advisor method, which provides reliable, real-time data updates. By following these steps, you can ensure your trading platform is correctly configured and your account data is seamlessly integrated for comprehensive analysis. First, head over to myfxbook.com and log into your account. Once inside, locate and click on the Add Account button. From the list of platforms, select MetaTrader 5 Expert Advisor. You will then be prompted to download the required Expert Advisor files. Make sure to keep your Myfxbook login email and password handy, as you will need them shortly. Now, let's set up MetaTrader 5. First, place the myfxbook.dll file into your MT5 libraries folder. Next, copy the myfxbook.ex5 file into your MT5 experts folder. After placing both files, restart your MetaTrader 5 platform. Finally, go to Tools, then Options, and under Expert Advisors, enable Allow DLL Imports and Allow Web Request for listed URL. Add myfxbook.com to the allowed URLs. To activate the connection, open your MetaTrader 5 navigator, find the Myfxbook Expert Advisor, and drag it onto any chart. In the pop-up settings, enter your Myfxbook login email and password. Click OK. You should see a message on the chart confirming the account has been published. Finally, visit your Myfxbook portfolio to verify that your account is successfully updating with your trading data.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.